Good morning, students.
Students, today we will revise this chapter again. Students, in the last class, some of you have some problem with the professions. So, today I will tell you about their profession in details. Okay?
Let us start. We see a number of things which are used by persons of different professions for the benefit of others. Students, look, in the list A there are name of some things, and in the list B there are name of some professions. Okay, so you have to match the professions with their things they use in this list. First of all, we have to read the options. List A: blackboard, plow, gun, stethoscope, hosepipe, leather. Blackboard is used by a teacher, plow is used by a farmer, gun is used by a soldier, stethoscope is used by a doctor, hosepipe is used by a fireman, leather is used by a cobbler. Now read the list B. Farmer, soldier, fireman, cobbler, doctor, teacher. Students, now see this picture. Who is he? He is a farmer. Who is a farmer? A person who owns a farm and grows crops and vegetables for us is a farmer. Look at this picture. Who is he? He is a soldier. Who is a soldier? A person who serves in an army and fights for his country is soldier. Look at this picture. Who is he? He is a fireman. Who is a fireman? A fireman is a rescuer of people and animal from dangerous situation. He extinguishes fire that threaten life, property and environment. Okay? Look at this picture. Who is he? He is a cobbler. Who is a cobbler? A cobbler is someone who mends or fixes shoes. Look at this picture. Who is he? He is a doctor. Who is a doctor? A doctor is someone who maintains, treats and restores human health through the practice of medicine. Now look at this picture. Who is she? She is a teacher. Who is a teacher? A teacher is a person who helps students to acquire knowledge, competence or virtue. A teacher teaches students.
Students, hope now you can learn about their professions. Okay?
Students, look, this is your homework for today. Match the professions with their works. In the column A, there are some names of professions, and in the column B, there are their works. So we have to match the column A with column B. Let us read. Soldier. Who is a soldier? Match with this. A soldier fights for his country. So write here 1. 2. Farmer. What does a farmer? A farmer grows crops and vegetables for us. So write here 2. 3. Fireman. What does a fireman? A fireman extinguishes dangerous fire. So write here 3. Cobbler. What does a cobbler? A cobbler mends or fixes shoes. So write here 4. Doctor. Who is the doctor? A doctor treats the sick. So write here 5. Teacher. Who is a teacher? A teacher teaches students. So write here 6.
Students, hope this chapter is now clear to you. do this homework for today. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can call me. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.